Hey y'all, let's talk about this Breville juicer. Wow, what a lineup of products we have that come inside this juicer. So a few things going on right now. This is the top part. It is a very high quality plastic clear material with kind of like a space gray color. Here's the handle for the actual juice part. What I like about the part that the juice comes out of, that being this, there's a little silicone attachment that kind of guides the juice into your reservoir here. So you could just have it like so, or you can have a little bit of guidance where this makes the juice flow into this basin right here. Once your juice is done, you just put the lid on like so. Everything's gonna line up just like that. Once you have your juice inside here, you can store your juice with the top. I thought that that was really unique and special for this juicer. Once you make your juice, just put it in the fridge because you got a little safe keep top right there. So that is where the juice comes out. Now we will take a look at the actual machine part itself. So the toggle on here, it just has a low option and then an off option, and then you have your high speed option. So just three easy little options right here. To open this part, all I do is just give a little bit of force down, and that gives you access to this entire top piece. So here's what the inside of this looks like. This is where you press whatever you want to be juicing down, and it's going to be compacted by this little end part right here into the actual juicer blender itself. This little basin right here is kind of like the trash can for your juicer. It collects all of the compostable materials. It is plastic, like a space gray plastic. That's what the inside looks like. And now for the fun part. So here is where the magic happens. Look at this gold plating on the inside. How nice and fancy is that? The strainer is very, very fine mesh right here. There's not going to be any debris getting into that juice of yours. For cleanup, you just pop this out. That's what the bottom looks like there. Pop it out, and they were nice enough to give a scrubby so that you can clean all of your different attachments here. So you can scrub inside there. Perfect for the mesh strainer right here, so you can get all of those particles off. So aside from everything else, that is it. This is the very powerful base part. It's very well made. Breville is a great brand. Here's the bottom, nothing fancy going on here. Because of this, I would 10 out of 10 recommend to a friend.